Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to get our Scott paper towel or toilet paper for $2 each. Oh my gosh, I know a lot of us are trying to bulk up on paper products, either to gift it for the holidays, a lot of people gift from their stockpile, or alternatively to build your stockpile with gorgeous paper products. So for this specific deal, if you have this 5 back when you spend 15, we're going to utilize one of those in store. If you don't have one, what I recommend is to go get the cheapest print, a 39-cent 4x6, order it through the Walgreens app, drive to the store and pick it up. Ask the cashier or employee, is the machine printing the Catalinas out of that machine? You might have to go to the front and pay for it. Photo's kind of 50-50 if it'll print or not. And a lot of us have been getting it multiple times. I think I've tried this now 4 times and it's printed the 4 times for me. And I've had people in the comments tell me, like, as of up to yesterday, which was the 19th, it was still printing with the cheapest print. Do this at your discretion. If you have 40 cents to try, I mean, by all means, but if you don't want to risk it, the second deal will be for you. Okay, so for this first deal, you're doing it in store and you need your best friend, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. So maybe order a print, go to the store, see if it prints. So you do the first transaction. Is this going to print? Yes or no? And once you have this magical booster, you can do this deal. So for this specific deal, you're going to grab 4 of the Scott products, whichever ones you want to grab. If you want to grab 4 paper towels or a mix and match of toilet paper and paper towel, you're the boss. You choose what you want. I just grabbed toilet papers. That's what everybody wants from me lately, and it's probably going to be the thing running right through Christmas. You're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 2 off a 2. It was available last week, so if you didn't do this deal last week, use it this week because it's expiring on Saturday. And then the Walgreens coupon, that's the $1.25 off a 1. If you already used it, go into your household folder. It should be at the top and you can reload it a second time. Okay, so just looking at this, we're at $20 for the overall basket. You get the cashier to scan that 5 back when you spend 15, and you have $5 of Walgreens coupons melting off. Your total is still at 15. So for the spend 15, get back 5, you're still going to achieve it, my friends. And then you have that $2 manufacturer melting off for you. So with your debit card or bills or your Visa, you're going to pay $13.90, and then you're getting back 5. So not factoring in the tax, it's like paying $8 for the 4 or $2 per unit. Remember to use a debit card, credit card, cash bills for the balance as you're using the booster of spend 15, get back 5. Now this next deal, we're going to do it curbside. And this deal is, if you didn't use that 2 off a 2 coupon and you just want to stock up on some paper products, put 4 of them in your basket for exactly $20. Now, our best friends that are the digital and store coupon, you're going to have to load both of them or make sure you have them on your store card. And this is what they look like. Make sure you have both. And if you look at the top one, that's the manufacturer. It's expiring this Saturday. So do this deal or not by Saturday. Now, just to show you, $5, $2, and then if you use the code WAG10, an extra $1.30 off, so it's a little bit of savings pour vous. And then just to show you, we have $20 for the overall total, $6.30 melting off with the code WAG10, free curbside pickup and $2. So the total there is $12.52. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Pay $2.52 for 4 of these toilet papers and call that a really great deal. This morning, we got these 2 boosters for next week. The first is a 5 back when you spend 15 on P&G, so that's kind of interesting. And the one below is buy 3 oral care, get back $5 Walgreens cash. So load both of them, and we will see where the week takes us. Next week is also Thanksgiving, so maybe they're going to give us some sort of like Thanksgiving special with all of this. Who knows? But I would love to see more boosters, but I don't know why they've been kind of holding them back the last month or so. It's just been weird. But the paper ones are printing, so hey, that's at least something. Before I take off, I was in the Walgreens app last night and I noticed 3 for $13 for these Hershey's Kisses. And typically when it goes to red, it's like some sort of sales price. But 3 for $13, like I just was about on the floor with that. And a friend of mine told me that it's some sort of like cocoa shortage or something like that. So that's why all these items are so much more. And I was like, wow, that is quite a bit. If you look at this, I did pull up some photos from last year when they were on sale for $2.99. So it was $8.97 for the three, compared to three for 13, making it like $4.33 a bag. In comparison to last year, we were paying $2.99 a bag, which is just crazy. I know a lot of you use these for those peanut butter blossom cookies, or possibly as a decor in, a gift for Christmas. Probably most of us for baking. If you were smart enough to really stock up on that Halloween candy or any sort of clearance candy, maybe you're going to have to Frankenstein some other sort of peanut butter blossom cookie with like a quarter Snickers piece on top or something else. But these prices are just alarming. It's like $1.34 more per bag, and they're calling that a sales price, and it's not a sales price. So I will be watching these kisses very like a hawk till I get a really good deal on it and share it with you guys. Typically the manufacturer offers us something, but this was alarming. Like, I've never seen these prices ever. It's finally hit me. So I will be hyper vigilant with these candy deals leading right up to Christmas, because I know a lot of us either use them for baking or gift it. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.